Diwali, the festival of lights, is being celebrated across the country and the global diaspora, marking one of the most auspicious Hindu festivals. In Delhi, in fact, the sale of green firecrackers has resumed after the Supreme Court lifted the year-long ban, with Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta promising a distinct celebration under a court Sanatani government. However, air quality in the national capital region has deteriorated sharply ahead of the festival, with the AQI crossing 400 in several areas. Authorities have invoked GRAP 2 anti-pollution measures, warning residents of severe pollution as celebrations are underway. In fact, the Supreme Court, in a landmark judgment, has permitted the bursting and sale of green crackers in Delhi from the 18th to the 21st of October. But the question is whether Delhiites who are welcoming the verdict and planning to burst crackers really care about green crackers.
After 3 years in a significant move, the Supreme Court has relaxed the absolute ban on sale and use of firecrackers in the Delhi NCR region, allowing only government-approved green crackers, that too on a test case basis. The ban didn't work. They simply shrugged off the smog and sky-high AQI. And now they are celebrating the top court order lifting cracker ban in Delhi with a big bang. And it is quite evident that cops in the capital will struggle to implement the top court ruling.
सारे चलेंगे और सिर्फ गवर्नमेंट देखेगी कि सारे पटाखे चल रहे हैं, कहाँ से चल रहे हैं, कहाँ से आ रहे हैं
पटाखे, और हर साल दिल्ली में अच्छे खासे पटाखे चलते.
While the court has not permitted the sale of regular crackers, the scene in Chandni Chowk tell a different story. लोग ज़्यादा इको-फ्रेंडली पटाखे, ग्रीन पटाखे खरीद रहे हैं? नहीं, नॉर्मल पटाखे.
जो नॉर्मल है वही खरीद रहे हैं.
The top court verdict on cracker ban has evoked polarizing views. Many are lamenting the impending impact of crackers on the already toxic air. Others say the ban was not being enforced and people should be allowed to enjoy the biggest festival the way they see fit.
एक बारी दिवाली आती है और एक दिन ही पटाखे चलते हैं, वो भी सिर्फ रात में. बाकी 364 दिन हमेशा पोल्यूशन रहता है, तब गवर्नमेंट कहाँ चली जाती है.
सीधी सादी जवाब है, दिवाली पे पटाखे तो बाजेंगे और कोई रोकने वाला है नहीं. पोल्यूशन तो जिंदगी भर को है, चाहे दिल्ली में हो, चाहे मुंबई में हो, चाहे कहीं भी हो, पोल्यूशन जिंदगी भर को चलेगा.
Firecrackers are available and they are also giving the same quality and the same sound and the same lighting. Then definitely the people should opt the green patakas if they are available. But if they are not available, then people should definitely buy some other patakas which are available in the market.
While a set of people were absolutely supporting the Supreme Court decision regarding the green crackers, there were people on the other side who were really sure that they are going to use the traditional crackers. Well, this festive season, the real test will be to see how people choose to celebrate. And it will be about striking a balance between traditions and responsibility. One thing though is amply clear. If the sales in Chandni Chowk are any indication to go by, there will be nothing green or clean about this Diwali. With Vijay Pramod, this is Smriti Mishra reporting for CNN News 18.
डिस्ट्रिक्ट जो जिला पुलिस है, डीसीपी सर के निर्देशन पे हम इसको सिक्योर और एकदम सेफ दिवाली बनाने के लिए तत्पर हैं. और उसी के आगे चलते हुए हम लोगों ने एक मोटो रखा था हमारे कि सतर्क पुलिस सुरक्षित दिल्ली. तो उसी को आगे बढ़ाते हुए हम लोगों ने हमने पेट्रोलिंग जो है वो काफ़ी बढ़ाई है, इंटेंसिव करी है. मार्केट एरियाज में एएस चेक्स, मार्केट खुलने के साथ और बंद होने के बाद भी हम मार्केट चेक करवाए हैं. हमने अपनी ड्रिल्स जो हम जैसे लावारिस.
Diwali signifies the triumph of light over darkness and good over evil. A timeless and universal message of hope and renewal. My family and I will cherish this time by being together. In Israel, we are especially grateful this year as the remaining living hostages have returned finally to their families, allowing them to feel the spirit of togetherness. The glowing lamps and vibrant lights resonate deeply with me, reminding that even in challenging times, hope and goodness will always shine through. Happy Diwali!
We go into a very short break. With that, news and updates continue on CNN News 18. Stay tuned.